Good morning, children. Now, once at a glance, yesterday's class, that is, imagine animals. What we have studied yesterday, what is environment? Environment is everything that is around us, which includes both living and non-living things such as soil, water, animals, and plants, which adapt themselves to their surroundings. The environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth. What is habitat? An area in which a particular animal naturally lives, eats, grows, and reproduces is called its habitat. An animal makes its home within its habitat. For example, forest is the habitat of many animals like lions, monkeys, and snakes. And all these animals live at different places in the forest, like lion lives in a den, a monkey lives on a tree, etc. So different animals live in different habitats. The main habitats for animals are forests, deserts, polar regions, and high mountains, oceans, and freshwater bodies like lakes and rivers. Now, coming to forest. Forests are large areas that contain a variety of trees and other plants. A large variety of animals also live in the forests. Different animals live at different places in the forest. For example, lions and tigers live in the caves or dens, birds and monkeys on the trees, snakes in holes, and rabbits in burrows. So most of the forests are homes of wild animals and birds. They are very important for all living beings. Forests keep the environment clean by cleaning the air, helps in water cycle, and is a shelter of wild animals. So, for in the forest, tigers, rabbit, birds, monkeys, wild cows, etc. will be taking shelter. Now, next habitat is desert. The sandy land areas which do not have sufficient water sources or green vegetation is also called as a desert. Deserts are usually hot and dry places. Water is hardly found in deserts. During the day, deserts are hot, while night they are cold. Desert animals have some special body features that help them to survive. Some of them bury under the ground during the day to keep cool. Some have thick skin to save water. Camel stores fat in the hump and uses it as food when needed. It can live without food and water for a long time. Long legs of camel help it to keep its body away from the heat of the sun. It can also protect its eyes from sun with its long eyelashes. And camel is also called as desert sheep. Not only camel, some types of snakes and squirrels are also lives in the desert. Now next is the polar region and high mountains. They are very cold places covered with snow. Polar bears, seals, and penguins are found in these regions. They are able to survive there because they have special features to withstand cold. They have a layer of fat under their skin which keeps them warm. Some of them also have thick fur. Birds live in polar regions such as penguins and patamangans have thick and dense feathers of their body. Next is coming to oceans. Oceans are also the largest habitat on the earth. A large variety of fishes are found in oceans. Blue whale, octopus, shark, etc. are found in ocean. Next, coming to the freshwater sources. Freshwaters are rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Fresh habit, freshwater habitats. In this, fishes, frogs, salamanders live mostly in the freshwater. Frogs and salamanders can live both on land and in water. Thus, they are called amphibians. Now, what is mean by adaptation? An adaptation is a modification or change in the organism's body or behavior that helps it to survive. Explore the links given here to know more about habitats and how different plants and animals. An animal may adapt to its habitat in different ways. So different animals show different types of adaptations to live in a particular habitat. Adaptations are the changes in the body organisms, functions, features, or behavior of an organism that help it to survive in its habitat. They may be in their body coverings, breathing organs, movement, and feeding habits. Thank you, children.